Hello kids, so previously we had learned about adjectives. What are these adjectives? Adjectives are nothing but the describing words. They describe about a noun, a thing, a name, a person, a place. What can we describe about the person's name and place? Now you can see. So in adjectives, the size of a person, place or a thing or something, shape, its color, how many are there coming to the number, the character, if you see a person, their character, even if we come to things, their quality, how the quality is there. So basing on this, the adjectives, we describe the things like according to size, tall, small, short. According to shapes, we can say it is square shape, round shape, colors, and you know what are colors, numbers, and character of a person, angry or something, how the character is, quality, either it is cheap, expensive, hard, soft. So this comes under the quality. Now what are adverbs? Adverbs are the words that describe the verb, means what action is doing, how the action, when the action, and where the action is performing. Now let us see the options and find the answers. Kriti is a graceful dancer. Dancer is a noun here. Kriti and dancer both are nouns. But what noun is it explaining? It is explaining about the dancer, how the dancing. So dancer, graceful dancer. So we can see the word graceful. So the word graceful is the adjective. So adjectives mostly will be with full ending with OUS. Okay, now let us see. My mother bought a bunch of red roses. So as we discussed previously, how the roses are, I told you the size, shape, color, number. Basing on this, they will be there. So you can take the correct answer basing on that. Yesterday was a rainy day. What are the nouns here? Yesterday is a name, and day is also a common noun. Normally day we say. So many days, particularly proper nouns are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. These all are proper nouns. Now, so which one are they explaining? Is it yesterday or day? So you want to check the nouns, then we can find it properly. Now if you read the sentence, Reena has long hair. The swimming pool has clean water. The child lifted the heavy box. In these three sentences, you can find the noun, what they are describing about the noun, how the noun is there, how they are there. Basing on that, you can take the correct answer. Now, if you see the B, choose the correct adjective to fill the blank. So, if you read the sentence, you can get the answer. The dash child broke the vase. Which type of child will break the vase? You see the options, then you can get the answer. Now, if we go through the seventh one, my pet dog has dash spots on its body. So what type of spots it can have? See the options, read the options and find the correct one. Mother gave me a dash advice. What type of advice as our parents give us? So we know very well that how they give us. Now ninth one, my uncle bought a dash car. So what type of car they can? Children, read the options carefully. You can easily take the correct answer, and you are doing adjectives that are describing about the nouns. Remember that. Now basing on that, you can complete your 10th one also. Try to read the questions yourself so that you will get a habit of reading, children. Now choose the correct adverb to fill in the blank. So it is raining now. When? It shows us the time. So raining is the verb. When it is raining? Now. When it is raining means when the work is happening, when the action is taking, how the action is taking, how many times it is taking. So if you ask such questions, you can get the answer for adverb. I did not go to school. Did not is the past form. So basing on that sentence, which word can we write, children? Check the options properly and try to give the answer. He is writing a letter. When do we write a letter? He is writing. According to the sentence, we can say present. So for present, what do we use? Take the correct answer. It is a holiday. They will not go to school. So it is a holiday. So they will. So will we use in the future. So in future, that means which is not at all happened till now. So what words we use? Basing on that, you can write the sentence. The school starts at 8 o'clock. Ajay came at 7:30. See, starting at 8 o'clock and he came 7:30. It means 7:30. So 8 o'clock the school is there. He came 7:30 only. So how come, what can we say about him? Did he come? He came dash. So how did he came? See the options, read the options and find the answer. Now next one. My office starts at 9 o'clock. I reached at 9:15. That means 9:15. Oh, 9 o'clock it is there. 9:15 he reached. So I was dash. Now take the correct answer. Children, try to read from 16 to 20. According to the context, what they are asking, just observe and try to take the correct answer. Now let us move to Achievers section. Choose the correct adjective to fill in the blank. So correct adjective you want to find. Children, the answers really are very easy if you read the sentence and if you read the options. So try to read the sentence and the options. How is the weather? How is the giraffe? How the baby has? What the baby has? Just find it out. Okay? Then you can get the answers easily. Now choose the correct adverb to fill in the blank. Come dash, I want to speak with you. So options, check the options, you can get the answer. So if we want to speak to someone, where they want to come. I was reading a novel, was reading. So it is the past one. So according to the context, what we want to use. So complete them and send through WhatsApp your answers.